Hey guys, welcome back to another clean with me. So in today's video, I'm going to tackle this bathroom because it's really dirty. This is the bathroom the kids use. If we have visitors, they'll use this bathroom as well. I've neglected this space. As you can see, there are hair products all over the vanity. The laundry is overflowing. There's grime buildup in the sink and tub. This is what happens when I slack on my daily tidying or weekly cleaning routines. So I'm going to give this bathroom a good cleaning today. So this is the vacuum I'll be using in this video. It is new, so I'm gonna test it out and let you guys know what I think, but it is by Scenic. This is the new P11. It comes with 3 different attachments that you can use. You have your charger, and then you have this wall mount. It comes with the screws, and I do believe this is like the double-sided tape, so if you don't want to screw it into the wall, you can just put it on the back. Yeah, that's exactly how it works. So you'll just peel it off and, you know, stick it to the wall if you don't want to put holes in your wall. So that's really great because I am in a rental, and if I don't have to put holes in the wall, I'm not going to. You definitely want to use the wall mounts if you plan to lean this against the wall because this is heavy, like it'll, you know, fall over. So with this model, not only can you vacuum, but you can mop as well. You can remove this pad, so if you need to, you know, throw that in the wash, you can, and you see it comes with an extra one, so that's great. Now this tank is detachable and is magnetic as well, so when you want to put it on, it just sticks. So it's really easy to do, but you can just take it off. This is where you will fill the water, so you know, you just open it up, put your water in there. And I believe you can use your favorite like floor cleaner. I like to use the Bona floor cleaner. So I'm gonna fill this with that and you know, mop the floors. So I think that is really great. I've never seen a mop like this before where you can just like vacuum and mop at the same time with these type of vacuums, like these stick vacuums. So yeah, this is a first for me and I'm really excited to try it out. And the stick is detachable, so if you need to get high up on your ceilings or like your curtains or something, you can just place one of these attachments, or if you need to get your baseboards or inside corners, then you can just use this. I do have to give Scenic a really big thanks for kindly sponsoring today's video. I'm gonna go ahead and get started.
Fired all of the bullets. Yeah, you shot me through the heart, casting dice and roulette. The game was set right from the start. I don't wanna go, I don't wanna know, I don't want it anymore. I don't wanna go, don't wanna know, but I keep coming back for more. Crashing down again.
So I'm going to be using some OxyClean on these rugs because they're pretty nasty. And then I'm going to use this Arm & Hammer laundry detergent. I think I got this from Dollar Tree somewhere. I don't know. But I'm just going to use it today. Now this Clorox is my favorite toilet bowl cleaner. It's amazing. Sometimes I don't even have to go back in with a brush and do any scrubbing because it really does destroy stains. But I am going to do some scrubbing in this video just because I've neglected the space for so long. So I'm just going to put some in here and let it sit for a while. I also like to spray down the shower and let that sit as well. I am using a shower cleaner from Dollar Tree. I think it does a pretty good job cleaning. It's not my favorite, but it's good enough for today.
trust my senses. Catch me if I fall. So done with second.
So for the toilet, I'm going to be using this 7th generation disinfecting multi-surface cleaner. I'm just trying to use up the bottle because I do not like the way this stuff smells. I wasn't able to smell this in the store before purchasing it because of the way it was packaged. So I'm going to go ahead and use this on a paper towel because I don't like using my cleaning rags on the toilet. I like to just, you know, throw whatever I'm using away afterwards. Normally I would just use my disinfecting wipes. I didn't have much left in a bottle, so I went ahead and used the rest of it on the toilet.
Feeling kinda tipsy, didn't drink, so I don't get it. I must be high, but I'm just guessing. It's something in the way you talk. I'll show my hand, let's play it out. Putting my heart up on the table. I really trust my senses. Catch me if I fall. So done with second guessing. You seem to have it all. In love enough for anything, emotional too soon. You got my invitation, now the rest is up to you. Kick it, rendezvous, make some time for me and you. Get you over, treat you right. We vibing like Kick it, rendezvous, make some time for me and you. Get together, you and I. We vibing like It's getting kind of personal. I know my inhibitions, I just let them go. Stole my heart just like a criminal. I think it's time you let me know if you wanna kick it, rendezvous, make some time for me and you. Get you over, treat you right. We vibing like kick it, rendezvous, make some time for me and you. Get together, you and I. We vibing like
Okay, so this is kind of a pain. I am trying to get the corners here, but you see I have to turn the mop like this, and then it's a small space, so it's like kind of hard to just really get a good scrub. So that's the only downside with this. I think if you're just doing it in open space, then yeah, this is great for that. But when you're trying to get up in those corners, it can be a bit challenging. Other than that, I really love the idea of having this mop attachment. With this bathroom, and I went ahead and added some wall decor on this side because it felt so empty, and I really like this. The wall decor is from Ross. It's nice and clean now. So yeah, I still have the same decor right here. I do need to get a new liner because yeah, I wasn't gonna go inside and try to wash this one off. It's time to replace it anyways, but I just need to place my order. This is an extra long liner because, you know, I take my curtains up to the ceiling, but you can't find extra long liners on Amazon. I hope you enjoyed watching. Thumbs up if you did. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed. That'll be so awesome, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.